Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove an app from the app library on your iPhone. So if you have tried deleting an app but it just moves to the app library, I'll walk you through how to permanently delete it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's start with the normal way to delete an app. So simply tap and hold on any app on your home screen and a menu will appear. Now here at the bottom, you will see the option to remove app. So simply tap on it and select delete app from the option and confirm by tapping delete, and the app will be removed from your iPhone or app library. However, if you don't see the delete app options, the issue is likely a screen time restriction. So let's fix that. So simply open the settings and from here simply scroll down and tap on screen time. Now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled content and privacy restriction. Now here in this section, simply tap on iTunes and App Store purchases at the top. And now here in this section you can see the option labeled as deleting apps. Simply tap on it, and here if it is set to don't allow, that's why you can't delete the apps. So simply change it to allow, or alternatively you can turn off content and privacy restriction altogether, and once that's done you can simply go back to your home screen and tap and hold on the app, and from the pop-up menu you can simply select remove app, and now you will be able to delete it completely. And now even if you swipe over to your app library, you will see that the app is gone and it's been successfully removed from your phone and app library. And that's it. That's how you can successfully remove an app from your app library. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.